I'm Richard Rosenthal of Brown Harris Stevens and the Friedman Rosenthal team. Not only am I the broker for this apartment, but I've lived in this building for over 25 years, and I can tell you that the decision that the board of directors made 10 years ago to renovate the whole building has been a tremendous success. When you come see us, I will go into it in great detail, but right now Mark's waiting upstairs to show you the apartment.
Hi, coming. Oh, hey, you're my next appointment, right? Come on in, let me show you around. You're gonna love the living room. Come on this way. Did I show you the washer dryer that's already built in?
If you'd like any more information about this apartment or the work that's been done in the building, feel free to contact us. I live in the building and I can show this apartment immediately.